on the morning, and all it's really nice on my life, because I decide to do this thing. I'm happy and it's really nice. The first thing really important on the life. The sun shining at the same time. You feel all power of nature. It's really, really nice. And I think the most important is to live this life, look like this thing. Yeah, with more love, with natural things, with animals. And I don't want animals to talk to me and say to me they are afraid, they don't like electromagnetic and all these things. For me, it's crazy. Nature is most important. Live this life really nice, really important. All things are really important. I don't want the earth burning. I want people are really happy in their life. Continue their life normally. It's really nice. And decide what they want really with their choice. It's not good to see the same people all the time. When people are different, it's really nice. It's more beautiful. It's raining at the night and this thing, it's nice. I see that on a message. It's really important to have more water. When I feel this thing on the place I stay, I do things for that. Normally, don't force nature to do this thing. It looks like tribute when they want something really nice. They're dancing, they're singing, all is nice for all. Because animal want this thing, you feel thing not nice. The vegetable want water too. Different thing want water. It's better when animals are really happy. Don't die. Or don't do things they have to do normally. You look like pig. If they eat normally food, it's really important they continue to eat this food. Don't eat food not nice for them. I think it's better. The children too. Look like Peppa Pig. So it's really nice. When they're free, they do all things really nice. I love this drawers. I don't remember. Yeah. My children love see that on the TV. Really nice. I think there are something help people to love animals, do things really nice for them. And there are people don't like hate them, but you don't have the possibility to force people to eat a vegetable what look like you. This is their choice. But if for you it's really nice, it's really nice. When you meet an animal, you say this thing. It's really sad. As the first thing you feel things not really nice, and you explain this animal, I'm really sorry. I don't have the possibility to have all these animals on my garden. There are a lot of animals come next to me normally because they are love. They give me message all the time. But I want them to stay free, do their thing normally. If I want animals to stay free, I want human too. It's not, I don't like feel animals suffering, people suffering. But I feel this thing because I have a work for that. For help people, for help the hurt. And for me, it's normal. I think it's for all this. I think for all this evolution, all thing, it's really important to come back next to tree, next to river, next to different things, or live this life more easily. Really nice. I say this thing all the time when I feel it's really important to work or do things really nice for me. I continue this thing normally. You feel that when it's really important to have no negativity on your body, on your life, different thing. You choose all you want are really nice for you all the time. At the same time, I hear is if animals are really nice, people are really crazy. Thinking is not possible connected with people. Normally, with Lincoln soul is normal. People have the possibility to do this thing with their brain too. It's normal. Without technology, yeah. I hear that when birds singing more, they do different things. When they don't have this message, they come next to me more for say me, hey, listen, it's not nice for me. Because I do a lot of things at the same time. For me, I decide that I don't want this. I don't want that. For me, you have the possibility to evaluate normally. And it's really important, don't control things. You don't have the possibility. If people normally die, these people die. It's not possible to help people, all people. You help people, you have the possibility to help. Maybe it's sad, maybe there is time people cry, different things. Yeah, For people look like me, sensitive, it's very difficult for feeling not nice. All people don't have the possibility to do this thing. It's not possible. You're born on the earth for something. All people is different. If you remember, it's really nice. If you learn, it's really nice too. But all people don't have these possibilities. And it's normal because there are people come back a lot of time on different life. And there are people really old soul. Soul are really younger, don't have the possibility to do this thing. It looks like twin flame. And it's normal because this work, it's really hard for them. It's really important to people have this understanding. If they don't have this understanding, a lot of people die. They have wars, they have different things, they have people are sick, they are things look like raining, tornado, all these things. Yeah. People create these things. They say all the time, it's God, it's God. They create this thing. And later they cry. Don't cry for that. Peace.